market review. March the 10th, market review. Pretty simple day, which, yeah, we traded. I'll get this on record. I'll get it on record. So I just got to edit it, but I'll do a quick market review now. Not sure why that isn't on the charts, but there we go. So coming into this, you see this gap here. Obviously we moved up, completed it. We then moved back up, didn't complete it. Simple, right? Drawing liquidity was to complete this market maker sell model. Bang. And that's going to be on a video. Now, I'll make it now. Let me just put these screenshots on a sec. Yeah, that's going to be on a video that I'm going to talk about in after this quick market review. But yeah, we was bearish bias looking for this low. Get rid of these because I've got the screenshots. So we did take a trade pre 930 and use 930 to send us lower. There we go. So obviously we already had a bearish bias, so all this move was great until we reached this low. So this was the left side of the curve, right side of the curve. More on that, if we look into it, we closed below this low here, which this low was a low just prior to taking this out. But yeah, this is either H1 or M15, depends how you want to see it. But that was the framework of why we didn't need to come up to this M15 gap. Ideally we see that, but we didn't need to. And then other levels go on the chart is this inverse gap which got used. So yeah, we're going to the M1 now. You can see this comes in to this old low. Okay, we start disrespecting bullish structure, so we've got this inverse gap which isn't on the chart. Inverse gap with a gap on top of it. My entry was inside of this fair value gap. We took one contract off. Well, it took ages to fill me, but I took one contract off here, and then that was TP here. As you can see, we use this level to push up higher. So you can see how I got in at 924, okay, for 930 to hit TP, because I knew exactly where it was clocked in. So overall, that was a great trade. I think we caught about 50 points. Yeah, about 50 points. Now I'm going to go into these screenshots. So as you can see, 19735 on forex.com. That's this level here. And then 19847, which is this level here. 19834, which is the market maker sell model completed. Those were the three levels I gave, 1, 2, and then the final, which we got. So that's 3 out of 3 calls. We then called this out prior to it happening. M5 CSD and M5 reclaim could get it off that when it closes. As you can see, we inverse it, reclaim it, we come and tap into it, make CSD, tap into the reclaim, tap into this gap, and send press lower. Next call out was the overall draw. Well, this was actually, okay, so ES had already taken my level, and we was above it. We'd already been below it, above it, below it, above it, and then I called short ES to fractal market maker sell model when we was up here, and then we do. So as you can see, 226, and then this gets hit 4 minutes later. So that's, so far we're on 3, 4, 5 call outs, and then here's my original NASDAQ call out, maybe here next, as you can see, this level here, this level here. So yeah, that's 5 out of 5 call outs. Pretty decent. We've already sent the frames, so I can delete this. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do that quick video now. Or I'll do it now, why not? But yeah, that's my market review.